Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, I do some makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So, this is in a way a long time coming. I'm joking. So, I just got my box. From Fashionsta. Now, they did post on our Facebook group that there was delays this month. I don't honestly remember what the delays were, but there was something going on between shipping and getting products, I believe. It is the holiday season, which we will notice next month. Many of our subscription boxes might be coming later than normal. But I did get this on Saturday, and I'm just glad it's finally here. I've been so excited by seeing the teasers on what we were going to possibly get. So I can't wait to show you guys. But before I go any further, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and get that notification bell in there. Also, like the video and comment below what your favorite item from my box is this month. I would like to comment just in case if you hear a lot of noise in the background. My family's downstairs and I could definitely hear the television, so they're not turning it down. But anyways, let's go. So we all know how I'm always dropping something. So, we all know how our Box by Fashionsta is delivered. They have absolutely one of the best presentations, I have to say, out of all my subscription boxes. They write down, our boxes are valued between $80 to $150. So far, I haven't had a box under $130. So, I don't know. But I guess they're saying just in case someday we might get a lower price box. We know. They always have this really nice paper. Anyways, so they also include our little price cards with some of the companies that they actually work with. I can't speak today. And it says that the total retail value of my box for November, you guys, I know I'm uploading this on Monday, but this is November's box. But anyways, this is $136 retail value. And the other card that fell, also reminding us that they do donate to the Family Crisis Center as well. I'm going to put this down because it's heavy. I was looking at the thing and it said that it's over 3 pounds. So it's like making me build some muscle. Whoa. Automatically saw this guy. This is a CBD sugar scrub. It's called Bud Naked. It's from Millennial Butte. It's a $29 retail. This says it's a CBD sugar scrub for the most natural exfoliation and skin tightening, smooth refining. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a body scrub. I'm only saying I do love body scrubs, but I actually need a facial scrub. I don't know what's going on, but I think it's the weather change. My skin around my cheek area has been getting really rough lately, especially my right side, which is annoying me. Open this up. Oh, this is so pretty. It's pretty and pink and full of weed. Just kidding. It's not weed. But anyways. Oh, I'm so excited. This is from Sutra. I heard rumors that we were gonna get this and I'm excited. I always like trying out new hair products because hair oils and serums don't always work for me. I had to stop using another oil because it actually was greasing up my hair too much. But anyways, this is from Sutra. It's a rejuvenating hair serum which retails at $45. It says the perfect partner for blow dryers, curling irons, and hair straighteners. Thank you, thank you. It says hair professionals know that even the most fabulous style loses a lot of hair. Yeah, a lot of hair dull and damages. This says it contains jojoba oil, which is enriched in antioxidants along with vitamin E to help protect and straighten and repair your hair. The formula also contains omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids to help protect from UV damages and silk protectants. Dude, that's so cool. It says use Sutra Beauty rejuvenating hair serum on wet hair before blow drying. See, this is what I've been looking for. This is what I've been really needing. I have a lot of leave-in conditioners which I do enjoy, but because I'm using oils after I blow dry my hair or do the straightening, that's what's weighing my hair down. And as you can tell, my hair is already frail as it is. So being that this is an oil you put while your hair is still wet, it's awesome. And you blow dry it out so it actually soaks into your roots. Oh, I'm a sucker for bottles. Look at this. This is a glass bottle. It's 60 milliliters or 2.03 fluid ounces. And it has a pump, which is cool. So I'm super, super excited for this. Another glass bottle. Okay, so this is also from Fig and Yarrow. I love glass bottles. They look so fancy to me. But anyways, Fig and Yarrow. It's orange blossom lavender complexion water, which is a $34 retail. It says add an extra dose of beneficial nutrients while hydrating, soothing and toning skin. It's like thousand wafts of calm in every bottle, filled to the brim with botanicals, extract and soothing, smoothing, cleansing, balancing, and youth enhancing benefits. Wonder how it smells. Oh, that's such a nice scent. This reminds me kind of like a refreshing tea, like a chamomile tea. I'm gonna spritz it. Why not? Oh my gosh, that was so calming. Like, I might be packing this in my purse so that if a customer or someone pisses me off, I'll be like, like, if anyone's seen Anger Management with Adam Sandler and Jack Nicholson, and they used to go Grusava, whatever, how they pronounced it, that's how it made me feel. It was like so calming. It was nice. Anyways, on to the next. This is from Cara Beauty, and it's called the Midnight Garden Shadow Palette in $18. I have to tell you guys, I've gotten some nice gems from the box. A lot of the palettes, even though like my palette from last month, it kind of didn't look like, it looked kind of underwhelming, and I was a little afraid at first because when I swatched the colors, they looked chalky, like chalky. But when I actually went to use it, it was so good, and they blended beautifully. And Fashionsta really takes it seriously in testing out products so we don't get crap, basically. It comes with a nice mirror. Let me flip this back. Here's the eyeshadows. This is a lot of pink and purples. I really do like the color story though, I ain't gonna lie. This blue looks really pretty. This purple looks pretty. Feel very buttery. I was afraid they were gonna be chunky. Look at that. These are very pretty. Like, I could totally see even wearing the lighter shades for like a highlight, like putting it at the bridge or the inner corner. So this is a very pretty palette, actually. I really like this palette. Now, I will definitely do a look with this at a later time. Today, I didn't want to keep my reviews, like my unboxing, so long because I'm doing tutorials. I'm trying my hardest to make them shorter for you guys, basically. Our next item is from Lorella. This is the liquid matte liquid matte lipstick. So it looks like I got a nude based off what the label shows. It says Ari. So here's the color. Yeah, Ari. Now this is kind of too nude for me. I have quite a few nude lipsticks, which I'll wear on occasion, but I usually like a little bit warmer tones, if you know what I mean. So I'm not gonna swatch this. I'm gonna save it for maybe a future giveaway or something. But this had a $10 retail value. That was all my items for the November The Box by Fashionsta. I gotta tell you guys, I pretty much loved all the items. Again, minus the lipstick, but that was more a shade thing. I hear Lorella has really nice products. Maybe they'll get us a nice shadow palette, or I heard their highlighters are bomb. They have really good stuff. But I have so many nudes, you guys, like so many nudes. It's just, it'd be wasteful. Let's just put it that way. But again, I do love all the items. This right here is gonna be an ultra gem for me, and this right here, like, I know I'm gonna get a lot of good use. I will keep you guys updated in a future either video or Instagram post and let you guys know how I feel about these. As I continue to use them on a day-to-day basis, basically. But yeah, I love the box. I like the items. They were great. I would like to also mention I am affiliated with Shop Fashionsta, where you guys can get 20% off the site if you guys would like to use my referral code. I do get a small commission if you guys choose to use it, which would help my channel tremendously. I am trying my best to get more equipment to be able to produce better videos for you guys. So if you guys want to purchase anything through Fashionsta, Shop Fashionsta, I would greatly appreciate if you guys use my link. They always have really good deals, and you know, plus the 20%, why not? Though the discount code does not work on subscription boxes. You guys know we have my box, the box, and they have the men's box, and they also have a mystery box. Now, I have not purchased a mystery box as of yet. Hopefully someday in the future I will. I haven't gotten there yet, but hopefully someday I will purchase a mystery box from them, because they've looked really, really good in my opinion. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified anytime I do an upload. I am trying my best to keep my uploads on Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, and I do also a few along the way. So yeah, and also like the video and comment below what was your guys' favorite item that I got this month. Again, I'm very excited to try everything out. I'm very excited, and yeah. But anyways, thank you guys so very much. I hope you guys have a beautiful Monday, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.